grab the right one? Hello, good morning. It's a new day. I'm excited because I'm about to go buy a blender. That's how you know you're an adult, when you officially get excited over boring things like kitchen appliances. But I've been trying to make some smoothies here and it's been kind of a fail. I have this smoothie right here, which I've had for a while, but it's super cheap. It cost me like $20. I think I bought it at Target or Bed Bath & Beyond, but again, it was $20, super cheap. It works fine, but you can't blend like frozen fruits or like really whole fruits or anything like that. It's more for like, it gives me a lot of problems. So I'm gonna go buy a blender that I found online that had a lot of good reviews. I'm gonna go to Target and pick that up. And it better be as good as the reviews say, but I'm sure it will be. It's a Ninja blender. I'll show you guys when I pick it up. Oh my God, it is so warm out today. Like it feels like a chilly spring day. It's so damn warm. I'm living for this weather. So many blenders. But this is the one that I want. This baby. I should have gotten a cart. You know what? I should just carry it like this. All right, let's open up this baby. This is the water that I'm gonna use for my smoothie, but I'm already thirsty. Can you guys tell this is like one of my favorite, like just huge t-shirts? I always wear this. Okay, oh, this looks so pretty. I feel like it's Christmas. Okay. Oh, it brings the assembly guidelines, but then we also have a little, looks like a recipe book. It says it's an inspiration guide and it has 30 recipes. Oh, I actually have a book of smoothie recipes. I believe it's called the Zero Fat Belly Diet or something. I don't really know, but it has a ton of recipes that are really good, and that's where I got my strawberry banana recipe from. Whoa, this is a massive cup. I guess this is great if you want to make like enough servings for 2 or 3 smoothies, or if you're sharing with someone. This is humongous. These are the lids for the different cups that it brings. Oh, this is a lot of boxes, honey. So we have the other two sizes. Let me show them all to you guys side by side so you can get a better idea. So these are the 3 that it brings. This one is the biggest. I cannot do this with 2 hands. Why? I need more than 2 hands to do this. This is the biggest one. And then we have these 2. Are they the same size? These look like the same size to me. Am I crazy? Yeah, these 2 are the same size actually. Cool. These are probably the ones that I'm gonna use the most, since I'm like just making smoothies for myself, but I will probably make enough for 2 servings sometimes. I like having this bigger option. This is pretty cool. Wow, this is a lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be. Did I grab the right one? I did grab the right one. I'm getting in my head. That's cool. So this is like the actual blender part, and I got the Ninja. I'll show you guys the box so you guys can screenshot it, and I'll also write it down in the description box. But this is the one that I got. It's the Nutri Ninja Auto IG One Touch Intelligence with Smooth Boost, which I was reading about Smooth Boost in the reviews, and it just sounded really cool. Maybe I can explain better after I actually use it. But yeah, this is it right here. I'm not gonna get into the technical parts of this specific model. I will just link it below for you guys so you can check it out for yourselves and read reviews. Okay, really quick, I will tell you, it has a smooth boost option, which basically, if you pick that option, it'll break down fruits and veggies into a creamier result. Ooh, sounds good for smoothies. And then it has an extract. I don't freaking know. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys really quick how I make my strawberry banana smoothie. I've been making it forever. It's my absolute favorite. I feel like I've gotten it down to a science. I've shared this video in the past, but I will make you guys search back to the other videos. I'll just show you guys right now. So I normally like to do almond milk, but this is the milk that I have. It is still dairy free. It's Ripple milk. So I am going to, crap. You know what, I already have the strawberries in here first, so we're gonna add strawberry first. And I'm making enough for 2, so I can have one now and then I'll have one maybe for dinner later. So I'm doing a cup of frozen strawberries. And then I'm going to do a cup of the Ripple milk as well. I'm also gonna do a whole banana. I normally like to freeze a banana as well because it'll last longer frozen, but I just completely forgot to freeze a banana. But it's okay, we're just gonna add this banana unfrozen anyways. And you just wanna break it up in pieces so it's not too crazy. I don't normally do this, but I'm gonna add just like a handful of frozen blueberries also, just because I'm on a blueberry kick right now. I'm also gonna add a scoop of my protein powder. This protein powder right here is from a brand called Raw Fit, and it's just the vanilla flavor. And I get the one that says burns fat and satisfies hunger because I do like to have the smoothie as a meal replacement. This is a plant-based protein powder, by the way, if you're looking for one. I purchased it from, I usually find it at Whole Foods. I know GNC carries it, and also Amazon. Okay, we are also gonna add 1 tablespoon of almond butter. And this is the almond butter that I got from Wegmans the other day. I can't open it. You need like superhuman strength for this. The fuck? I really like almond butter. And then the last thing I'm gonna add is something that I wasn't adding before to my smoothies, but I do wanna get some more fiber in. And I'm gonna add this mixture of flax and chia seed blend. Or you know what? I am gonna add a little bit of water before I start mixing it in. And I really just kind of eyeball it. Sometimes I add water after I mix it for a little bit, but I'm just gonna add a little bit of water now. And now we just mix it. Okay, do you see how it's stopping? Okay, so I'll explain that really quick. This is one of the things that I saw in the reviews that really caught my attention about this specific Ninja model. So you saw how I would like start blending and then it would stop. That's because it has the smooth boost option right here, like the Auto IG smooth boost, which basically, since you're working with like solid foods like fruits and veggies and frozen fruits or whatever you freeze, it'll blend and then it'll stop for a few seconds to let like the mixture kind of like flow down, and then it'll blend up again. That way, I don't know if I'm making any sense, but that way everything gets blended perfectly and smoothly, hence the name Smooth Boost. Because a lot of times with blenders, like I've experienced this with other blenders, like when you're trying to blend frozen fruits, it'll like kind of get all chunky and stuck, and then you have to like open it and mix it up again and then blend it again. But with this, it kind of does it for you. Well, let's see if it does it for you. It's blended perfectly. And it tastes really good. This tastes so good. I got this book yesterday and I can't put it down. It's called Ask. What is it called? Ask and It Is Given, Learning to Manifest Your Desires. I'm really weird, guys. Like, I'm super into the law of attracting and learning how to manifest. Yeah, I'm just like a bougie hippie, honestly. That's how I could describe myself, a bougie hippie. So I do recommend it if you want to learn more about manifesting and the law of attraction. And I feel like it's also a really good book to start off with, like the foundation of manifesting and really just changing your mindset. I feel like I've been talking about this a lot lately, but it's really changing my life, to be honest. And today I'm kind of just doing computer work. I'm gonna edit a vlog right now, and Max, are you trying to be on camera? Yeah, I'm gonna edit a vlog right now and just work on something else. I've been working on another digital product that I'm really excited about. I have really been wanting to make a vision board. I haven't made a vision board in a very long time. So I went to Target earlier and I got a couple things so that I can start doing my vision board. I got these 2 magazines. I felt like they had no good magazines to choose from. So for now, we got Glamour, Women's Health, and oh, are you gonna make a vision board too? We got this big poster board, which was only $1. And look how big it is. We can make a huge vision board. And then these are just boxes and packed. What is the words? I have to ship out a giveaway. Well, 3 giveaway winners. So that's what that is for. Max, get off my poster board. Actually, I think I'm gonna work on the vision board together with you guys. Let me know if that's something you would like to do. Like if you want me to do my vision board with you guys on camera. And if so, I will film that tomorrow. So yeah, I'm not gonna do the vision board today just in case you guys want me to do it together with you. And if you guys do, we'll do the vision board together. How many times am I gonna say that? But yeah, come in the vlog with me. Come here. Like forcing him to come in the vlog. All right, bye guys. We love you and we'll see you in the next video. We'll be vision boarding together. Bye. Look at me.